Yes, this is the IED class, the Introduction to Engineering Design, where they do basic design. They go through the problem-solving process. They do 3D modeling on the computer. We use Inventor software from Autodesk, which also makes AutoCAD software. And they're going to be doing a project called the chess piece, where they actually make the design, and then we make it on the 3D printer out of plastic, and they get to keep that project. That's one of the last projects. I really enjoyed that one.
Greetings from Harlingen High School South. Today we're taking a sneak peek at our engineering program offered through Career and Technology Education at Harlingen High School South and Harlingen High School. Today I'm joining Javier Garza for a look into his classroom.
These are freshmen. Mrs. Young, our head counselor, she brought the 8th graders from the middle school before joining the high school. So we showed them all the good programs that Career and Technical Department has, and it was a very, very nice turnout. We had a lot of students interested. So we have 5 sections of the Introduction to Engineering Design, which is about 98% freshmen. We're very glad to have that big number. And we're going to try to get them interested in engineering and get them into the other classes, like I said, the Principles of Engineering, Electronics, and EDD.
Students are able to take 5 extracurricular courses for pre-engineering, 2 of which are available as dual enrollment. That means students are able to graduate with a passion for engineering and college credit. Mr. Garza and other CATE teachers sponsor rocket clubs and robotics club, keeping students active and having fun while learning.
For the Principles of Engineering class, and in this project last year the students had to sort marbles. So we have here, they would put a marble here, and then there's the light, and here's a light sensor. So depending on the intensity of the light that went through the marble, then they had to write a little program that would either send it one direction or the other. And there's motors here, and these are actually connected to the computer through a USB port, and there's a main controller. Students that like to tinker with stuff or that like computers, but it's really open to anybody. We're trying to instill the interest for engineering, and some students continue, some don't continue. So we're trying to expose them to what's out there in the engineering field, the design, the computers. So it's like, okay, here's what it is, engineering. Do you like it? Would you like to pursue it? And we've had some very good, successful stories going to Texas A&M, Austin, MIT, and some other colleges where they've actually emailed me and saying, Mr. Garza, we're using the same engineering journal that I used over there. I had a student graduate last year, and he visited with me, and he said, Mr. Garza, because of Project Lead the Way pre-engineering classes, I was able to save 1 full academic year at the university because they have now a pre-engineering program at the colleges now. But if you take classes like this, you are able to save 1 academic year. Also, they use this equipment that we have here, like the 3D printer, and they use the engineering journal. They even use the same software. They also use Inventor like we do here. So students that take these pre-engineering classes are going to be much better prepared for college, for engineering classes, than if you don't take Project Lead the Way classes.